Hello everyone, so now we are going to learn how to assign the IP address to the router. In this video, as we already know, we are doing the CCNA 200-301 batch. In this one we are learning the basic stuff. Later we will go for the advanced stuff. So here already I have the lab. If you remember, in our previous class we taken the two router and we connected. So this is present already. Now we can do the configuration. So what we can do here, let me take this one. If you see, with this one we can put the label. Example, whatever the IP schema you want to use in between, you can click here and you can type here 192.168.12.0. So this is the IP schema I am going to use between the two router. Okay, this is the R1 and this is the R2. And what we can do the configuration now. Okay, so what we will do the config. So what we are saying, we need to assign the IP. So first of all, we need to take the console. If you see, right click and click console. With this one you will get the console. So this is a console of the R1. Same thing you will do, right click and click here, so you will get the console of the R2. So if you see, this is a R1 console, this is a R2 console. And if you want, we will do the configuration from now. So here, first we will go in the global configuration mode, and whatever the name of the router you can change to that one. How we can change the name of the router? We will write host name R1. So with this command we change the name of the router. After that, what you need to do, you need to assign the IP address. If you want to assign the IP address, you need to check, you need to assign to which interface. If you see, you have this interface fast Ethernet 0x0. So this interface you need to assign the IP address. So first of all, you need to go under that interface. Fast Ethernet 0x0. After that, what IP you need? Write IP address and put that IP. Example, you want to write 192.168.12.1. Give space, write 255.255.255.0 and write no shut. Okay. So this interface will go up and you can see this syslog messages saying that this interface fast Ethernet 0x0 change to up. And if you want to save the configuration, write do WR, or if you want to save configuration here, you can write directly WR. Okay, in the privilege mode, if you want to save the configuration, write WR. And if you want to check the status of the interface, you write show IP interface brief. When you write this command is very important. Most of the troubleshooting we will do with this command. Like sometime interface is not coming up, sometime we assign wrong IP. So we will use this command show IP interface brief to get the status of the interface. Why we are using this command? To get the interface status. So interface is up or interface is down. Where is the interface? How we can check? We can check by using the show IP interface brief command. Okay. So this interface we assign the IP. Now we need to do the other interface. So I will go to the other router, because in this router only one interface is present. In this router you have only one interface. So you need to log into the another router by using the console port. Okay, because we are accessing with console, we are not doing telnet or SSH. So now I am accessing the other router with the help of console. Now I need to do some configuration, so I will go in the global configuration mode. Once we go inside the global configuration mode, we can do here whatever configuration we want to do. If you want to change the name, we can write host name and put the name, but already here R2. So even if you did not put this command, no issue, because you already have the R2. Okay. If you see, you have already the R2. That is router name is already you have R2. But anyhow, I put here in case, in your case, if you have any different name, you can write host name and give this R2. After that, what you need to do, you need to assign the IP. So you can see this fast Ethernet 0x0. So you can write interface fast Ethernet 0x0. Now you are inside this interface. If you see here, before you are in the global configuration mode. But when you write int interface F0x0, you move under the interface mode. After that, you can write IP address and put the IP address, whatever IP you want to assign. Example, you want to assign 192.168.12.2. give space, write 255.255.255.0. Okay, and then write no shut. So this interface will go up. You need to wait for few seconds, then you will see the notification interface go up. If you see, this is a syslog messages. It is saying that today date and this link. If you see up down, so this interface, that is fast Ethernet 0x0 change state to up, it move up here. Okay, and what else you can do here? You need to save the configuration, same as we done here. So I will press Ctrl Z, and now we can save the configuration here. We save the configuration. Okay, that's all in this video. We will see in our next video the next command.